You're at Zojila, altitude 11,649 feet. Welcomes you to Ladakh. Got it.
Put it.
Kargil, tourism development Kargil. That was the COVID test, and this is the usual entry point where they note down the bike numbers and you go through. We are like 10-15 kilometers from Kargil. Till now the water direction was this way, but there was a T-junction or Sangamam where two rivers probably joined. The best part about Ladakh, at least from my experiences, you have a river, a valley, some greenery, and then those rocky brown mountains. Aage Nubra is slightly different, but still this is just so good to look at. Picturesque. I see some snow-capped mountains, so I think Kardunga mein we will find snow in 3-4 days. The town you see on the left is Kargil, the famous Kargil. Always wanted to stay here one day too. Maybe next time we'll, like Sonamarg, we'll figure out one Kargil stay. Srinagar, Kargil, Kargil Leh. I think that would be a good itinerary. Then we can explore Kargil town, Kargil War Memorial, maybe go to Zanskar from here. Oh, that is the first time I'm seeing a most modern tank. That's a lovely looking tank here. చూడ్డానికి ఎంత beastly ఉందంటే
This looks so familiar. I need to talk to Kavi.
I still enjoyed the road quite a lot. ఇదే స్పాట్ కాగారా సెకండ్ టైం అయినా
He's nostalgic.
యా ఫర్ us too, బట్ చాలా మారిపోయింది. లైక్ ఇంత మంచి రోడ్లు, like we didn't have these many good roads. That Zojila pass was very easy, especially on this bike. I loved it.
I think it is because of the bikes.
Yeah.
But triple అయితే బానే కష్టపడేవాళ్ళు.
No, for that pass, yes.
Maybe for 1-2 kilometers or something.
For that pass, yeah. But here in these roads, I don't think so. You think you might have come in this area?
I think so. I mean, it's all the same anyways.
Yeah. Water, always valley, greenery, deserted mountain, and a good road.
And good friends.
Yes. So we just offer a quick water break. You need to hydrate yourself whenever you're in this high altitude so that you don't get AMS. I'm having very slight headache, but when I'm moving, when I'm not doing too much of breathing, I'm fine. We're like another 4 hours or 175 kilometers from Leh, so we have enough time to reach there before nightfall. And in this ride, we're doing it much more relaxed way, stopping, taking photos and videos. Wish we had the drone. A lot of places drones are not allowed due to the recent strikes. Drones are a risky thing to get. Otherwise, that would have topped the footage quite a lot. See the road down Apala. the last 45 minutes we had some amazing views, but this is the best of the lot, guys. But the most unfortunate thing is we still find trash even here. I think when I came here for the first time, my channel had probably around 10 to 12,000 subscribers, so would not be a repeat for a lot of you, but amazing viewpoints. Another 3.5 hours to go, or 172 kilometers. Really appreciate what these guys are doing at this high altitudes. That's Fatila Top, highest pass between Srinagar and Leh. There you go. We'll go down there. These are the loops. Shiva shortcut kavalante chusko. Construction on the left. Watch out. Big bad road. Ikkada kuda keep right. Left lo bad patch, watch out. All these all these stickers are of riders and travel groups. Another 120 kilometers to go, but feels like forever. Even though there's not much traffic and the roads are excellent, it's just the way these curves and ghats are, you can't go beyond 60. The average pace is 50 throughout the day today. We stop here in Lamayuru, small town before 100 kilometers before Leh, but look at the view from here. You're saying you enjoyed the ghats?
Oh, lovely.
Huh?
I enjoy the ride, man.
Ride is good. I enjoyed the first Zojila pass the best. After that, somehow it just felt like.
That is what it is.
I know, I'm aware. But this is your first time, so thoughts?
Even if it is 10th time, I'm good.
Newbies.
I want to do this again.
Newbies. He says these are the. He says these are the best ghats, best ghats, best views, best roads.
Best ghats, so like on a bike, best ghats so far, best views so far. Yeah, actually, yeah, all on the bike.
All on the bike. Time for some nice, strong, hot coffee.
Yes, like India. I need to travel.
తాగి చెప్పట్లుందా?
తాగవా నువ్వు?
తాగుతారా? తాగి చెప్పండి.
ఎట్లున్నా తాగుతా నేను.
అందుకే తాగి చెప్పండి.
పొద్దు నుంచి కాఫీ పడలేదు కాబట్టి దిస్ విల్ బి ద బెస్ట్ కాఫీ.
అరే ఇదేదో స్నో ఫ్లవర్ పాయింట్ అంట. నైస్. అరే లైక్ దిస్ హ్యూ ఆన్ ద రాక్స్ మ్యాన్, సూపర్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్స్ మార్షియన్, నాట్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్ ఆన్ ఎర్త్. సో కొంచెం స్పితి ఇట్లానే ఉంటుంది, ఐ గెస్. ఇంకొంచెం కిందకు ఉంటుంది రాక్. ఓకే, వీఆర్ ఎట్ కల్సే. This is an amazing spot here, memorial or something. Yeah, so we have to get ourselves show our RT-PCR report. Oh, किधर जाना है?
ये ड्रॉप ऑफ है.
ठीक है,
पार्किंग आपको
बाहर करना है. ठीक है, लगेज उधर ड्रॉप करके बाहर करेंगे.